Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. Today I have a almond milk recipe for you guys. So I decided to make some almond milk at home, and I put some almonds to soak overnight, well, for actually a whole day, and then the next morning this is what I'm doing. I'm just washing my almonds and getting ready to blend them all up. So this is about a cup of almonds I have right here that I put to soak. And then I'm just gonna add 4 cups of water to my ninja. And then I added 2 pitted dates for a little bit of sweetness. I didn't add anything else. You could add cinnamon or vanilla, but I just wanted a little bit of sweetness. And here I'm just gonna blend it all up until it's pureed or to my liking. So I just blend it for at least a minute, and I keep checking it to make sure that it's not getting too hot, because if I'm running the blender for a long time, I don't want it to get too hot. So I'm just blending away right here, guys. Okay guys, so after I've blended everything, I gathered my milk nut bag that I'm about to use, and I got these bags from Amazon, and this is the one that I've washed and ready to use. I'm just simply going to sit this into my mixing bowl that I'm going to pour everything in. And this one I'm showing you guys that I washed, and I'm going to use it inside out because I want a easily wash after everything has been removed, so it doesn't give me a hard time washing it. And I also want to show you guys how the bags look. So they came big and fluffy, and when you wash it, you see the difference in size. So right here guys, I'm just gonna pour my mixture, my milk mixture, in the milk nut bag. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and squeeze as much of the liquid as possible. And I'm gonna say that the milk nut bag made everything easier for me, guys. As you can see, I am squeezing as much of the milk out as possible. Okay guys, so after squeezing, I went ahead and poured my almond milk into this glassware that I have. It's just a reusable glass that I have lying around my house. And I am sorry guys, but I can't tell you exactly how much cup of milk I got because I really didn't measure it. As I said, I used 4 cups of water, so I may have gotten more than 4 cups here. So here you have it guys, my almond milk that I made at home, and I'm planning on using this for 3 days guys. And I just want to say that I love these nut milk bags. I really do. And I thank you guys for watching this video today. Like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't as yet. See you in our next video. Bye.